Hi guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to transfer contacts from one Google account to another. Okay, so first thing first, you want to go to contacts.google.com. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the contacts on this Google account to another account that has no contacts for you to understand. Okay, as you can see, I have 0 contacts on this account. Okay, so let's get started. Back on the account that has enough contact, for you to export or transfer the account, your contact from this Google to another one that doesn't have any account, what you want to do is click on this download button right here. It says export contact. Right, so now we're going to export our contact. So if you're on Android, to export your contact, just click on Google CSV. But if you're on iOS, that's iPhone, click on vCard for iOS contact. Okay, so we're going to click on export. All right, so file downloaded, the export has been downloaded. All right, so the next thing you want to do is click on the new account you want to export your contacts to. Okay, so all right, so this is the new account we want to export our contacts to. Right here it says import contact, create contact. So we're going to import all our contacts into this new email. Then you click on this import contact here. Right, but if you don't see this import contact here, right, you can click on this hamburger menu and then you see import right here. All right, so import contact. Okay, so we'll select file. So we're going to select the file we just downloaded. All right, so here we go. Then we'll click on import. Alright, so our contact has been imported. Alright, 167 contact. So this is pretty easy and straightforward. This is the easiest way to import your contact from one Google account to another. Make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe if you gain something from this video. Okay.